Welcome back, guys. Wait, what happened to my skin? Hey, yo! Well, guys, this is a normal wall. Nothing strange. Nothing at all. But no. What the fuck is this? A toolbox. Okay.
Hello there, I am Bob the Toolbox. Thank you for purchase. You can add me to your inventory by left-clicking, if you ever need advice on the go.
So, let's grab him. Bob the toolbox. Okay, that's strange. Let's place him here.
Let's get started. Here are 50 blocks.
First,
Build something so I can assess your skill level in building.
thank you, man. Thank you, Bob. For real, Bob. Thank you. But first, let's grab some wood. Let's place the wood that Bob gave me. Yeah, it's been a while. 2 weeks, I think, that I didn't post. Yeah. Wait, I love the thank you guys for the views of my other video. I'm really happy. Okay, let's go. Let's go and find a place to play this wood. Hey, wait, let's build a house here. It's kind of nice. Right. What, Bob? Wait. Okay, Bob. I'm going to place this. You can see that I'm placing the wood. Just let me 1, 2, 3. Let's make a simple house. I think I don't have wood for the house, but it's my mission to place the wood. Okay. Okay, mission completed. Now what, Bob?
Very good. Let's begin our first lesson. When making a house, you want to ensure there is both the roof and floor to ensure your house is functional and visually pleasing.
Okay, Bob.
My goal is to not only make you a better builder, but to prepare your house for visitation.
Okay, thank you, Bob. Oh my god.
Let's reflect on what we learned from our first lesson. Here is 50 blocks.
Thank
Show
you.
me your roof and floor building skills.
Okay, thank you, Bob. But if you want this wood to build the floor and the roof, I will grab some wood to make the house. Okay. Wow, yeah, the color. I don't care. I don't care how's the color. I don't care anything for now. You're going to count these blocks? Okay, no. Only one more? Okay. The job is done, Bob. What now?
Excellent job. Let us
Thank
begin
you,
our
Bob.
next
Thank
lesson
you.
and work towards making this house suitable for visitation.
Okay,
Our
Bob.
next lesson is interior design.
Okay, Bob.
When designing an interior of a house, you want to not only include furniture, but also
Okay.
other decorations such
Yeah.
as carpets,
Yeah.
appliances, and windows. Use these blocks to build and show me what you've learned. For this lesson, please go retrieve the materials you think are necessary. Being a builder also means being able to craft.
Okay, Bob. Okay, so now let's just go shapes. Oh, let's go pigs and little shapes to grab everything of the sheep. And I think that would be a house, right? Like decoration. I don't know. A window, I think, maybe. I don't know. Where are the sheep, man? There are no sheeps. Oh, here's one. Here's not about this. We just need a normal white sheep. Okay, that sounds strange. Just a normal sheep, okay? Okay, so I gathered some more. Okay, now it's done. Let's go. Oh, for real? Okay. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. Thank you, man. My God. Dude, I have no phone, man. I can do this, man. Okay, so I think I'm going to make a bed. Torches, I don't have no. But later I will grab some. And I will make torches and things like that. So now, let's just make the bed. Oh, alright. Oh my God. Now and the furnace. It's good. It's pretty good. Oh, it's day now. Oh my God, man. Wait, I didn't place the furnace. I'm going crazy. Right. Okay, so good days, everybody. Okay, now I can grab him. Let's put Bob here. And let's make let's get out here, Bob. But what else do you want me to give? Gather the resources. I did everything, man. For real. What? No. 5 minutes until vegetation. Wait. I just cut the video out and. Oh my god. I need to get out. Okay, now the house is kind of done, I think. The visitor. Who's the visitor? 10 minutes. Grab some wood for a case. Case of something really bad's going to happen. I'm scared. Let's make some windows also, if I can. I'm scared, man. Okay, there's sand. There's sand, right? Yeah, sand for the windows. Oh my god. I've been like an hour, finding resources for my house, and now I find that someone's coming. Oh my god. 5 minutes. Okay. I think no. Okay, okay, I can go. Bob, are you good, man? Oh my god, you're crazy, Bob. You're so crazy. Oh my god, Bob. Oh my god, wait. This just must be a normal wall, man. Oh my god. This can be this, man. Every wall like I am. And every wall I just look. There's something. Oh my god. Okay, still 5 minutes. Oh my god. Bob, you come in with me, okay? Wait, 5 minutes? I think 5 minutes? I think a minute passed. No. Bob? What the fuck did you just do? Why? Bob, why did you just fucking do that, man? Are you crazy, Bob? Oh my god. You're fucking crazy. You're freaking crazy. Bob, stop that, man! Oh my god. But didn't a minute pass right now? I think a minute. Okay, 4 minutes. Yeah, it's passing the time. The time is going out. Let's just I need to be calm. Okay. Let's make a chest. I need to be so freaking calm right now. But I'm so scared, right? But Bob, freak you, man. Hope you don't live for so long. I thought we were friends, man. Okay, Bob. Okay, stop that, Bob. Okay, stop, man. Just need some. I'm really so scared. Just make windows and windows for in case of something bad is going to happen. Okay. Okay, down the house. 3 minutes. Wait. The time is going so fast. The time is faster now. Wait, where the fuck is? Oh my god. No. Oh, no, no, no. Wait, let's go. Oh my god, man. For real, man. For real, this happens to me. My god. The torch? Where's the freaking... Oh, here's the torch. Okay, let's just wait. 2 minutes. Let's wait. Shit! What minute? Wait, that was fast. Oh my god. Let's just be calm, okay? Let's just be calm. Nothing's going to happen to me. I'm scared, man. Let's just be calm, okay? Nothing will happen to me. Okay, nothing will Where's my torch? Nothing will freaking happen to me. Oh my god. I'm scared.
10,
What
9,
the hell? Bob! Where are you, Bob?
7.
Congratulations on completing the first visitation.
What?
Builders need rest, and as such we will begin our next lesson in the morning. Excellent job. Hello there. Welcome to the next day of learning to become a better builder. Since it is a new day, I will now reassess your building skills. Please expand the house using these 500 blocks.
Bob? Bob? Where the fuck are you, Bob? What was that? Bob? Are you okay? No, Bob. What the fuck just happened? Oh my god. No, this can't be. No, this can't be. This can't be it. No. I need to see my house. Oh my god. No! The blocks, everything. Oh my god. Bob, what the fuck happened to you, man? Oh my god. This isn't right. This isn't right, man. Something. Bob, this isn't a normal mod. This is I think a mod, but this is not normal. No. Oh my god. I just want some sleep.